Hi, and welcome to the Merrill Manufacturing YouTube channel. Today, we'll be fixing a leaking nozzle on our E5000 series hydrant. For this adjustment, you'll need a 7/16 open end wrench and a cup for holding water. To begin, we recommend shutting off the hydrant's water supply to eliminate upward pressure on the plunger during adjustments. Once off, use the 7/16 open end wrench to loosen the hex head bolt from the operating rod. Now raise the hydrant's lever roughly 2 inches from the head casting and tighten the hex head bolt. You may now turn on the water supply to the hydrant. If the leaking continues, repeat these steps until it subsides. Now fill a container with water using the hydrant. With the hydrant on, submerge the end of the nozzle in the water and turn the hydrant off. The backflow of the water should create a suction, thus draining the water out of the container. If the water does not drain, the plunger needs to be lowered further to open the drain for backflow. This is completed by repeating the aforementioned steps. If the leaking continues when plunger adjustments are no longer an option, the installation of a new plunger is necessary. For questions, products, or more information, please visit our website at www.merrillmfg.com, find us on Facebook at Merrill Manufacturing Co., or call us at 800-831-6962. Thanks for watching.